Today was different than yesterday. Just look at the grass. Look at the grass. It is so blue. And look at the sky. It is green. And look at this tree. All white. But yesterday, the grass was green. Sky was blue. And the tree was brown. And today, everybody's black as fuck. But yesterday, everybody was a fucking Indian. Why do I even sing when everything's different?